Hey guys, it's Kai here from Mayhem TCG, and today I'm going to be taking you through the process of making one Mayhem TCG card. And hopefully this video inspires you guys to make your own TCGs in the future, or maybe even now. But before I get into the video, make sure to subscribe, and let's get right into it. Usually I start off by just drawing the new creature or support card or whatever I'm drawing. And right here I've already drawn the outline of the creature I was thinking about, so here's just a quick little speed art of the creature I was drawing for the card I'm making. Next, what I'll do is I'll take my drawing all the way to my printer, which I will then scan my drawing onto a flash drive. Or you can just scan it right into your computer, just so I can get onto my computer and make the cards. And here's me messing up on the USB. I think we've all done that. So yeah, I just scanned the drawing, and you can skip this step if you just drew it digitally on the computer, or you took a picture and just imported it into your computer. But I just like scanning because it comes out in the best quality. So then here is a clip of me running back to my room. And next, what I think I do is I put the USB into my computer, as you can see here, and I will save it from my flash drive onto the computer. This is a whole bunch of unnecessary steps. I don't know why just my computer, it doesn't connect to the printer when it scans, so I have to use a flash drive. So yeah, here's me saving the file, and make sure to take the flash drive out. But before we move on, quick Minecraft break with the boys. And back what I was doing before. Now what I'll do is I'll open up Photoshop, and if you don't have Photoshop, you can use any free editing software like Krita, which is actually one of my favorite softwares to use, and it's completely free. And I actually use that to do the backgrounds of my hand-drawn cards, and it's what I just draw digitally on. So I don't really like drawing digitally on Photoshop. But yeah, so here I open up Photoshop, and I will crop my scanned image to just have the creature in it, as you can see here. And then next what I'll do is I will delete the white background to make it transparent in order to make a nice background behind the creature, which I will be doing in Krita because I don't like Photoshop. But yeah, I just do the main card stuff on Photoshop, and I do all my drawing on Krita. And right here is me saving the file. Make sure to save, guys. It's really annoying when you don't save. And after this, I'm opening up Krita, which is the software I was talking about before. Yeah, I definitely suggest this software. It's completely free if you don't want to use like Photoshop or something. So I'm actually doing this bit on my drawing tablet because it is a lot easier to draw backgrounds on my drawing tablet. And so yeah, I just opened the drawing inside of it, and here's me messing up, forgetting to put the layer below the drawing. So yeah, I just put the layer below, and as you can see here, you can just draw right behind your drawing. And also keep in mind that you don't need to have a drawing tablet to do this. You can use some other software. And yeah, there's a little transition for you. I just drew an ocean background behind the crab. Pretty simple. And make sure to save, as always, right here. Then I'll open up Photoshop, which is the last step of making my cards. This is where I put the actual artwork into the template and add all the stats and stuff. So yeah, here I just open up the template, which I already have pre-made. If you guys want to have like a video on how to make like a TCG template or something, just leave it in the comments and maybe I'll make that in the future. But yeah, so I already have a pre-made template for all the types of my cards. And what I'll do here is I will select the artwork, copy it, and then paste it into the template itself. Then I'll move the artwork behind the template. And after this, I'll just put in all the stats and the name, ability, all that good stuff. So here's a little time lapse of that. And here's the final result of the card. I hope this video inspired you guys to maybe make some of your own cards. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.